Moving on, German airline Lufthansa's cabin crew union has urged its members.
There's nothing so iconic as a Boeing 747.
Lufthansa, one of the world's leading airlines, has recently unveiled an ambitious and transformative plan for its fleet of Boeing 747s. Known for its meticulous attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction, Lufthansa's new strategy is poised to set a new standard in the aviation industry. The airline's innovative approach promises to enhance passenger experience, improve operational efficiency, and solidify Lufthansa's position as a leader in the global aviation market. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. The Boeing 747, often referred to as the Queen of the Skies, has been a cornerstone of long-haul travel since its introduction in the late 1960s. Over the decades, this iconic aircraft has undergone numerous iterations, each bringing advancements in technology, efficiency, and passenger comfort. However, Lufthansa's latest plans for the 747 represent a paradigm shift that goes beyond mere updates or upgrades. The German carrier aims to redefine the 747 experience entirely, incorporating cutting-edge technology and design to create a truly unparalleled flying experience. Central to Lufthansa's vision is the complete overhaul of the cabin interior. While the 747 has always been known for its spaciousness, Lufthansa intends to take this to the next level. The airline plans to introduce a new seating configuration that maximizes comfort and privacy for all passengers. In first and business class, passengers can expect fully enclosed suites that offer a private sanctuary in the sky. These suites will feature lie-flat beds, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and personal minibars, ensuring that every journey is as luxurious as possible. Premium economy and economy class will also see significant improvements. Lufthansa is committed to ensuring that all passengers, regardless of class, enjoy a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Premium economy seats will offer increased legroom and recline, as well as enhanced meal options and upgraded entertainment systems. Economy class passengers will benefit from ergonomic seats designed for long-haul comfort, larger personal screens, and improved onboard connectivity. In addition to these cabin upgrades, Lufthansa plans to introduce several innovative features that will set its 747s apart from the competition. One such feature is the installation of advanced air filtration systems. These systems, which use HEPA filters and ultraviolet light to remove and neutralize airborne pathogens, will ensure that the cabin air is as clean and safe as possible. This is particularly relevant in the post-pandemic world, where passengers are more conscious than ever about health and hygiene. Lufthansa is also investing heavily in in-flight entertainment and connectivity. The airline plans to offer high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the aircraft, allowing passengers to stay connected with the ground throughout their journey. The new entertainment system will include an extensive library of movies, TV shows, music, and games, as well as live TV and real-time flight information. Additionally, Lufthansa is exploring the possibility of integrating virtual and augmented reality experiences into the in-flight entertainment, offering passengers a truly immersive experience. The dining experience on Lufthansa's revamped 747s will also be a key focus. The airline plans to offer a wider range of meal options, including gourmet dishes prepared by renowned chefs. First and business class passengers will have the option to dine on demand, choosing from an a la carte menu at any time during the flight. Premium economy and economy passengers will also enjoy upgraded meal options, with a focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients and regional specialties. Sustainability is another crucial aspect of Lufthansa's new plans for the 747. The airline is committed to reducing its environmental impact and has implemented several initiatives to achieve this goal. The new 747s will feature lighter, more fuel-efficient engines that produce fewer emissions. Additionally, Lufthansa is investing in sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, which has the potential to reduce carbon emissions by up to 80% compared to traditional jet fuel. The airline is also exploring other eco-friendly practices, such as reducing single-use plastics on board and implementing more efficient waste management systems. Lufthansa's ambitious plans for the 747 are part of a broader strategy to modernize its entire fleet. The airline is also investing in new aircraft models, such as the Airbus A350 and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. These next-generation aircraft offer improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and enhanced passenger comfort. By integrating these new models with its revamped 747S, Lufthansa aims to create a fleet that is both modern and versatile, capable of meeting the demands of the 21st century traveler. While Lufthansa's plans for the 747 are undoubtedly groundbreaking, they are not without their challenges. The aviation industry is highly competitive, and other airlines are also making significant investments in their fleets. For example, Emirates has long been known for its luxurious in-flight experience, particularly on its flagship Airbus A380 aircraft. The Dubai-based carrier offers private suites, an onboard shower spa, and a lounge bar for first-class passengers, setting a high bar for luxury travel. Similarly, Singapore Airlines has earned a reputation for excellence with its modern fleet and exceptional service. The airline's new Airbus A380s feature spacious suites with double beds, as well as a range of premium amenities. Singapore Airlines has also been a leader in sustainability, with initiatives such as the use of biofuels and a focus on reducing single-use plastics. Despite these challenges, Lufthansa is confident that its unique approach to the 747 will set it apart from the competition. The airline's commitment to innovation, passenger comfort, and sustainability positions it well to succeed in the evolving aviation landscape. Moreover, Lufthansa's strong brand reputation and loyal customer base provide a solid foundation for the success of its new 747 program. One of the key factors driving Lufthansa's ambitious plans is the changing nature of long-haul travel. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on the aviation industry, leading to shifts in passenger expectations and behavior. Travelers are now more concerned with health and safety, and there is a growing demand for privacy and personal space. Lufthansa's new 747 design addresses these concerns by offering enclosed suites and advanced air filtration systems, ensuring that passengers can travel with peace of mind. In addition to health and safety, passengers are increasingly seeking unique and memorable travel experiences. Lufthansa's revamped 747S aimed to provide just that, with features such as virtual reality entertainment and gourmet dining. By creating a truly exceptional in-flight experience, Lufthansa hopes to attract discerning travelers who are willing to pay a premium for quality and comfort. The economic landscape is also influencing Lufthansa's strategy. As the global economy recovers from the pandemic, there is an expectation of increased demand for air travel, particularly for long-haul routes. Lufthansa's investment in the 747 and other modern aircraft positions the airline to capitalize on this growth. By offering a superior product, Lufthansa aims to capture a larger share of the market and drive profitability. Lufthansa's plans for the 747 also reflect broader trends in the aviation industry. Airlines are increasingly focusing on fleet modernization as a way to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Modern aircraft are more fuel efficient, have lower maintenance requirements, and offer enhanced passenger comfort. By investing in the latest technology, airlines can gain a competitive edge and better meet the needs of their customers. Another trend is the growing emphasis on sustainability. With increasing awareness of the environmental impact of air travel, airlines are under pressure to reduce their carbon footprint. Lufthansa's commitment to sustainable aviation fuel and other eco-friendly practices demonstrates the airline's leadership in this area. By prioritizing sustainability, Lufthansa can appeal to environmentally conscious travelers and contribute to the industry's overall efforts to combat climate change. Lufthansa's new plans for the Boeing 747 are a bold and visionary move that has the potential to reshape the aviation industry. By combining innovative design, advanced technology, and a commitment to sustainability, Lufthansa aims to create a truly exceptional flying experience. The airline's focus on passenger comfort, health and safety, and unique in-flight experiences positions it well to succeed in the competitive and evolving aviation landscape. As Lufthansa embarks on this ambitious journey, it will be interesting to see how other airlines respond. The industry is characterized by rapid innovation and intense competition, and Lufthansa's rivals are likely to introduce their own advancements in response. However, with its strong brand reputation, loyal customer base, and forward-thinking approach, Lufthansa is well positioned to lead the way. The success of Lufthansa's new 747 program will depend on a variety of factors, including economic conditions, passenger demand, and competitive dynamics. However, the airline's clear vision and commitment to excellence provide a strong foundation for success. By redefining the 747 experience, Lufthansa is not only enhancing its own offering, but also setting a new standard for the industry as a whole. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, do you support Lufthansa's new plans for the Boeing 747? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.